make movies about people that really believe they're normal, but to me act completely insane, and which happens in Baltimore all the time. To me, bad taste actually can be good taste. I mean, all contemporary art uses bad taste, fashion uses bad taste, humor uses bad taste. You have to have good taste to know what bad taste is and to break the rule. Thank God my mother taught me the good taste rules obsessively, and that's how I rebelled to make bad taste. But do I think I have bad taste? No. Do I think my movies use bad taste, but for style and for fashion and for humor? I found that by humor, by surprising people, it would stop them, and it would make them at least think that maybe you were right. What I'm proud of is these films have lives. They keep coming. They're going to show on television here. Who would have ever thought Pink Flamingos could show on television? I mean, I never imagined that they are lasting. That's what I'm the most proud of, that they continue to have new young people come see it and get the same reaction. It didn't get old hat for them.
¿Hagan más preguntas?
Divine, ¿es usted lesbiana?
Sí, yo hago todo lo que haga falta.
¿La excita la sangre?
Algo más que excitarme, señor Binger. Me produce el orgasmo. Y más que ver la sangre, me gusta su sabor fresco y caliente.
¿Cuáles son sus creencias políticas?
Matar a todos, perdonar el asesinato en primer grado, apoyar el canibalismo, comer mierda. Esa es mi política, esa es mi vida. Escriba lo que guste de esto. ¿Qué le parece mi pecho para el jueves?
Fantástico.